Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you 2-in-1 titles pack: Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro. You can download, link in description. Now I'm extract here this file. You see, I'm extract here also these two files. Okay, here you can see two files have been extracted, two projects, one project outside Adobe After Effects file, and one folder you see, it's in. These include the Adobe Premiere Pro file, and the Adobe After Effects file, so I'm starting with Adobe Premiere Pro first. Here you can see there are 30 files. So now I am showing you how to install Premium Premiere Pro, more file. Look, so do the same card or copy, see after. Your user. Then app data. Then roaming. Then Adobe. Then common. Then motion graphics templates, if copied or cut here, paste it, see I gave it. Now I am opening Adobe Premiere Pro. If you do not have this Essential Graphics tab, click Windows to open and click Essential Graphics. Installation is done. You can see that everything is installed. Now you can use them on top of the video, so I will show you how to use it. I came to the timeline in a simple way. You can see that two colors are used here. The shape can be adjusted from here. I am changing the color of these. I have changed the color of the vision. You can see the position control here given. You can adjust the position from here. You can see there are two options, text and text speed. You can change from here. You can change the font, anything. Hope you understand everything. Now I will open Adobe After Effects projects. It can be opened first. There are 3 files given here, so you can open them according to what is installed on your PC, even if you do not have a problem. Well, let me show you. Here you can see there are 30 files. There are hidden ones, so I am proving them one by one. So you see how I am changing the text, and how I am adding the logo in it. You can add your logo if you want. So I will open the file After Effects now. Here you can see there are 30 files. You can add titles in the same way as I saw before. You can change the text color. You can add logo. You can change the color from now on. You can change everything from here. You can change the animation style. If there is a problem, of course, let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.